I'm the main chef. Assistant engineer chef. Sous chef. All cutting done by Young Chindolkar. Moharani. Oh. She's.
You're my assistant.
You're her assistant, huh? What you're making? You already started.
Already started.
What all you put, huh? I thought I'll record what you're making. No, no chance. What is this?
Got squash.
Huh?
Squash.
Squash. This is lamb. What all you put, huh? It looks very nice.
Masalas.
You bring your own masalas again. No more masala sama kinleydi. Kalayation this is more.
Manipuri masala.
Manipuri masala. Everything from India. Oh, you put everything. Meat masala. You don't get this meat masala here. We try to search in the store. Garam masala. What are you going to do with this one?
It's boiled.
And
Just that plain.
we're going to eat like that. This ginger garlic, potato, tomato. You're going to add all this, huh? This is for akuni. All this chili for akuni. With tomato. Akuni is delicious. Again? Again? Nakachika. What is this? Fridge is not working, so this is cold water. Cold water, making the drink cold. Cooking and watching own vlog. Watching our own vlog. Watching own. Yeah. All the way from, we get this chef once in a blue moon.
Once in a month.
Once in a month. Very difficult to get this chef.
Yeah. And this is her vacation house. Right?
Vacation house. Now this time we are celebrating what?
Deborah's birthday.
Deborah's belated birthday. Deborah's belated birthday. You want me to cut that?
You want this? This is for akuni, right? Yeah. I'll cut this for this. Whole of it.
This is for mainly you.
Yeah. So many, huh?
Ah,
Yeah, okay.
this is for what?
This is for me.
For you. Why?
I mean, especially for me. You guys can eat. But you guys have akuni, right?
You don't have akuni, that's why. But you like akuni.
For you, this one.
Oh, without spicy one.
No spicy.
For you, without spicy one chili. Akuni is here.
It's nice. Yeah.
Akuni all the way from
No, I
India.
don't need much. Just a little bit.
Deborah brought.
Oh, rice?
You have to make. You want sticky rice or normal rice?
No, not
No. No, let's. What is this now? Looks like grass.
coriander.
This is coriander.
Thai coriander.
Thai coriander. Oh, we get with the pho. The pho. That one. You really like cooking, huh? Now we're going to make akuni. Take some akuni, put in boiled water. How much akuni you want? This more, huh? All, huh? Over it. Okay? Just cover it, yeah?
Tomato roast.
Tomato rosa. Why? Oh, what style is this? You're roasting on there. You want a pan? Like that one, yeah? Should I just open the window for a while? Oh, try to do puzzle. Too much. 1,000. This one is 500, and this one is also 500. So that's it. Going on, huh? What are you going to do with that? The akuni? What is that?
Yeah, recording everything.
Yeah. What we are doing here?
We're making chutney.
I'm making chutney doing this. And what you're doing? Peeling tomato for akuni. It looks like this after soaking in hot water.
I'm not recording. I thought it's recording. Oh, you pause it. Okay.
So I just like that, huh? It smells good, but it's more like dully smell. This also? Oh, this is tomato only.
Yeah, tomato.
Okay, mix here. Mix there.
To build my wealth, but also more specific things
This one,
like
yeah. All?
the tax savings
Yeah.
that you get from saving into a pension as well.
When your pension is in
Is
a
that
good place,
coriander?
you're
Oh,
in a good
yesterday's.
place.
Yesterday's.
Pension B.
What is that called?
Pennywort, Indian pennywort.
Indian pennywort.
Pennywort,
Pennywort.
W-O-R-T.
What we add? Oh, we didn't add the chili paste, no? Not the paste powder. Not adding. It's already there.
It's a chili, fresh chili, the spicy one.
Oh, but you don't want to put the other chili. This is more than
Taste
enough.
it. Just taste it.
So you put salt
Yeah, I put already everything.
already.
Taste it. Taste.
Ah, it's so spicy. Really spicy. Mutton is ready. Mutton, no?
Lamb.
Oh, lamb. Lamb is ready. Did you put this as well? What is this actually? Herb. What we call for this? Shimyal shashta. Di kachas di boil chin sel is di.
Okay, how much can I first time see?
Ngai cha tang bo tong ske khai.
Well, looks really yum.
Yeah, looks very yum.
Hey, you start, come.
Call of the wild tade.
Come here.
Alu todo shilin de ke. Shalin be.
Well, looks chilly.
Pai de akuni exona.
It's so. Jabura special.
Jabura special mutton. No, lamb. Oh, I keep saying mutton.
I put too much. I think I'll put it.
Oh, she didn't put that
Which one?
boiled one, boiled thing. What is that? Squash.
No, it balances. Balance.
Is it? Although in the but we don't have that.
Yeah.
We have only one food.
This lamb, rice, squash. Squash. Did you say squash? Salad and akuni. Nice. Nice. What happened to TV now?
How many?
3.
1, 2, 3.
One enough.
One
huh?
enough? You sure? You like golden color or
Silver. This one is shortcut birthday.
Golden. Belated birthday. That's
Later birthday. It's just like that. Mala.
Mari, curse to it.
Normal there.
Normal.
This is one. Just a small cheesecake. Cheesecake.
Cheesecake. Cheesecake shape
Cheesecake
gone
ate
wrong.
too much. That's why belly is coming out. This side the belly.
Belated birthday, that's why.
You want me to do?
Oh, probably I can do it. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go, birthday girl.
No birthday girl anymore.
Belated
birthday.
You make a wish.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
And we put some.
Forgot. Happy birthday, dear Deborah. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
No wish.
The wish is done. So fast.
All fulfilled.
Put small one in here. You want to eat?
Taste how it
This
is.
is how it is. Oh.
You taste.
How is it? It tastes like lemon, the heavy lemon. Same.
It tastes
I think
good.
it's from heavy lemon.
Do you like it? It's not so sweet, no? That the taste is perfect.
Good. One go,